We'll guide you through how to put prices on a stand in Please Donate. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. When there are prices on there, people can go and donate. You may have gone and claimed your stand, but there's nothing there. I've already got some, so let's show you how. To get started, come out of Roblox. Come to the Roblox site and go to the top and press Create. Then what you need to do is come over to the left and press Creations, come into Experiences and My Experiences, and come into your place. Come over to the left and you need to go and scroll down into monetization and find passes. Scroll down and press create a pass. We can create a pass, put it on sale, and it will then appear in Please Donate. So click there. You can then go and give this a name, add a description if you wish, and you can add a picture if you want to as well. And then you can press create pass. We've created it. It now needs to be put on sale. So go and click on it. Then go to the left and press sales and switch on item for sale. Here you can enter the price. This is the price that's going to go and appear on the stand. So I could go and type in 25, for example, and press save changes. And then what we can do is return. I've just come back to Please Donate and I'm going to go and claim this stand. And you can go and see we've gone to put another price on there. You may put your first one though. If you found this useful, then leave a like.